Bună ziua and welcome to the I Learn Romanian channel. Today we are going to learn how to use the verb to go. That would be a merge. I encourage you to check my pronunciation and practice because this one is a little bit difficult for certain speakers of other languages. So if you want to say I go, that would be eu merg. This is a hard G, so eu merg. You go for one person would be tu mergi, merge. He goes would be el merge. It's ending in e, so merg, merge, merge. She goes would be ea merge. And then we go would be noi mergem. You go for plural would be voi mergeți. You go formal would be dumneavoastră. I've taught you about this shortcut in another video. If you haven't seen it, check out the video about the verb to like. So, dumneavoastră mergeți. And then we would have ei merg, ele merg. And let me give you a couple of examples of sentences that you can say with the verb a merge. So you can say, eu merg acasă. I would like you to translate these sentences in the comments to see if you got it right, and I'm going to also drop the answers in the comments to make sure everything is correct. So, eu merg acasă. Tu mergi cu mama. Tu mergi cu mama. El merge la școală. Ea merge în parc. Noi mergem pe jos. Voi mergeți acolo. Dumneavoastră mergeți singură. Ei merg pe bicicletă. Ele merg înapoi. I would really like to see how you would translate all these sentences. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. If you want to start learning Romanian with me online and have one-on-one lessons where you can ask all the questions and things you might have that stop you from advancing really quick, you can book a free trial lesson on my website. You can also purchase my new book, which is called the Essential Romanian Grammar Workbook, that is going to be used for exercises, grammar exercises, to help you study on your own and practice on your own. And it also comes with an answer key so that you can check your answers whenever you have time. I wish you an amazing week and take care of yourself. La revedere!